Welcome to my channel for another episode. Today we are going to design a church flyer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So go to new and open your layout here. We are going to make use of 1080 by 1080 pixels and your resolution should be 300. So now click on create and over here is our background. Okay, so we are going to bring our resource file over here now. So we are going to make use of this one, and here we are going to reduce the size, then rasterize it. We are going to remove the background using the magic tool, delete to remove the white background. Scale it out and then position it around here. Okay, next we are going to import the church logo, reduce the size and drop it around here. Alright, now we are going to bring our text, highlight and copy it, Ctrl C to copy, or you can right click and copy it, Ctrl V to paste, and the font we are using here is Cinzel font. The space there, we are going to reduce the space just a little, between 5 and 6%. That will be okay. Alright, so now we have to duplicate this one, then import this one over here, reduce the size, and we are going to remove this background. Right click and rasterize it, then go to your eraser tool and select this background remover and click all this one. Make sure you apply this setting, then and your percent here should be 50%. So we need to erase the background over there. Alright, now reduce the size, and we need to change the adjustment over here, then change the color. Let us move it over here and see the changes. This is okay. Now bring it over here, then select your text tool, then go to your text document, highlight this one and copy it, then Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl V to paste. Bring it down and position it within the center. You can also reduce this one. Alright, so now we are going to proceed. Next, we are going to import this background, then scale it out, bring it down, then go back to your resource file, and over here we are going to import this background here. Scale it out a little, then change the blending mode to luminosity, and we are going to apply a Gaussian blur, then use this code over here. Next, then create a layer mask, select your gradient tool, Then from here, then up, we are going to then blend those particular area. Now we are going to back to our resource file, and the next we are going to bring this one over here, then drag it to your Photoshop, reduce the size and flip it horizontal while you position it this way. Then the next we are going to drag it down so that it will be below this design there. And the next, then we need to go to our filter, then select blur and also make use of this code over here. Then now apply your layer mask, select your gradient tool, and we are going to then blend over here and this area. Okay, so the next we are going to import this image. Right, so after we clip it, now go to your filter, select camera raw. We are going to apply some adjustment here. Now go to the vibrance here, then you drag it down -100%, and the saturation, then you drag it down, then follow the code over here. Then the exposure, we are going to increase it around 0.10%, and the contrast, so follow the code over here. The texture, we need to adjust the texture and also make the image more clear. Right, then also adjust this one. Right, so follow the code over here. Now we are going to click OK to apply it. Then next we are going back to our resource file and drag this background here, then flip it horizontal and reduce the size, then bring it to this area, increase the size a little. Okay, then having done that, then we are going to reduce the opacity to 55%, then create a layer mask, and now select your brush, and we are going to clean off this particular area. Okay, so that is it. Next, now we are going to our text and we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy, select your text, and Ctrl V to paste. We are using the font Cinzel, then make it bold and reduce the font size. Centralize the text and deselect it, then Ctrl J to duplicate. Make a copy of this one over here. Ctrl C to copy, then select your text to highlight it and Ctrl V to paste. Now increase the font. Alright. Then we are going to duplicate this one. Ctrl J to duplicate. Ctrl A to highlight. Then come over here to copy this one. Ctrl V to paste. Then select all, align the text vertical, then Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, then you can adjust it either by increasing it or reduce it, so the way you want. That is it. Then use your arrow key then to take it up. Now the next, we are going to copy this one, then select your text tool and Ctrl V to paste. Reduce the size, then make it bold. We are going to create a rectangle here. Then also give it a corner shape this way. And the color, we are going to give it this color. Select your text tool, then go to your text and make a copy of this one. Ctrl V to paste. Change the color to white and reduce the font size. Drag it over here. Then go back to your text and copy this one. Paste it. Then change the font boldness. Reduce the size and bring it over here. So now we are going to centralize it. Next, we are going to copy this one. Select your text tool, duplicate this one, bring it down, highlight it, then Ctrl V to paste. Reduce the boldness. Now we are going to draw a rectangle. Take it up. Then we are going to give it a color. Copy the location. Select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste. Change the font color to white. Reduce the font size. Place it here. Then increase it. Hold your shift key while you select it and centralize it. Alright. So the next, we are going to import this light flare. reduce the size, then change the blending mode to screen and position it around here, duplicate it, and we are going to place this one around here. Alright guys, so that is the end about this tutorial. So if you like this video, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.